This is a profiler 12-degree Hitman head. We offer it in various forms. This one right here is cut for a 2450 1870 exhaust valve. We offer it in 1.8 2.450 to 2500 intake valve, anywhere from a 1.8 to a 1.9 exhaust valve. We offer the radius exhaust seat. It's a 55 degree with a radius down all the way to the valve guide. The intake seat is 5 angles. It's a 55 degree valve angle. And on the short side, it's radius all the way to the second angle. And these heads can flow anywhere between 550 and 590 CFM, depending on what size valve and what size port we put in it. We offer it with a 58cc combustion chamber, and we offer it with a 74cc combustion chamber for using nitrous. You got any questions about this head, contact Mike. I am Mike. I am the owner. I'm the one that does the valve job. I finished the head, and I've been doing these heads for over 25 years. I was one of the first guys that worked with this head, so it's very, very familiar. Probably sold over 250 of these heads. And if you will go over here, we have matching intake manifold. This is a custom motor for a guy in Florida. It's a sheet metal manifold with billet runners. It matched a set of profiler heads, and we built a 665 cubic inch for this customer in Florida. And we offer these manifolds for anything you can imagine, any engine, any size engine, anything from 1 cylinders to 10 cylinders. And we offer fuel injection, carbureted, anything you might want. And we offer the manifolds for drag racing, oval track, truck and tractor pull, street performance, about anything you can imagine.